Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Framer to Shopify. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to go to framer.com and we're going to log into our account, or if you don't have an account yet, you simply have to start by making an account. So we're going to click on login or sign up. So by logging in, we can continue with an existing email, or we can even continue with our Gmail. Now, once logged in, we're going to go to the marketplace. To do that, we're going to go to the top left panel here in the resources and then click on marketplace. After that, we're going to go to plugins and then we're going to search for Shopify. Once you see Shopify plugin, click on it and then click on Open Plugin. From here, a drop-down menu will show and you can choose an existing project from your Framer or you can start a new project. By clicking on those options, it will redirect you to your Framer account and on that project. So give it a few minutes. Once inside your project, this plugin will appear right here, the Shopify plugin. So to continue, click on Store Configuration. Now, if you have available credits, you can simply continue with this, but if not, click on Buy. Please keep in mind that the Shopify plugin is paid, so we can choose a plan on how we want to start. We can choose either Starter, Standard, or Premium. And after choosing, we're simply going to put in our card details right here, including the email, card number, expiration date, security code, and the other details right here. And then, once you've done filling that up, click on Pay. And you've successfully connected Framer to Shopify. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!